Hey everyone, and welcome to Brazil. Just hearing the name probably makes you think of beautiful beaches, amazing rainforests, and the awesome music of samba. But Brazil is way more than just a pretty place. It's a country with a ton of spirit, just like its famous carnival celebrations. From the busy streets of Rio de Janeiro to the incredible Iguazu Falls, Brazil is full of surprises. It's where you can find both modern cities and old traditions, and where the natural beauty is just as cool as the stuff people have built. But the best part of Brazil might be its people. They're super friendly, always welcoming, and love to enjoy life. Their energy is contagious, and you'll definitely remember it even after you leave. So pack your bags, get ready for something new, and let's explore the magic of Brazil together. This country will amaze you, make you fall in love with it, and change the way you see the world. Alright, let's start with Rio de Janeiro, often called the Marvelous City. It's usually the first place people visit in Brazil, and for good reason. This iconic city has some of the most famous beaches on the planet, like Copacabana and Ipanema. But Rio is more than just beaches. You can take a cable car up to Sugarloaf Mountain for amazing views of the city, or visit the Christ the Redeemer statue on top of Corcovado Mountain. To see how the locals live, take a walk through the cool neighborhood of Santa Teresa, or check out the historic Lapa district. If you're looking for a city that never sleeps, Sao Paulo is the place to be. This huge city is a mix of cultures and a major spot for fashion, food, and business. You can explore the fancy stores along Avenida Paulista, experience the city's exciting nightlife, or catch a soccer game at the famous Pacaembu Stadium. To see the natural wonders of Brazil, head over to Foz do Iguaçu. Here you can see the breathtaking Iguazu Falls, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most impressive waterfalls in the world. The falls are located on the border of Brazil and Argentina, and you can experience their power and beauty from both sides. Now, no trip to Brazil is complete without seeing some of its most famous attractions. Here are a few things you absolutely have to see. Christ the Redeemer. This iconic statue of Jesus Christ with his arms wide open is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Standing tall on Corcovado Mountain in Rio de Janeiro, the statue gives you stunning views of the city. Sugarloaf Mountain. For another unforgettable view of Rio, hop on a cable car up to the top of Sugarloaf Mountain. The ride itself is awesome, giving you amazing views of Guanabara Bay and the mountains around it. Iguazu Falls. Located on the border of Brazil and Argentina, the Iguazu Falls are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the world. Make sure to experience the falls from both the Brazilian and Argentine sides to really take it all in. Amazon Rainforest. For a real adventure, take a trip into the Amazon rainforest. This huge and diverse ecosystem is home to an incredible amount of plants and animals. You can take a guided tour, go fishing for piranhas, or even spend the night in a jungle lodge for a truly immersive experience. Escadaria. Celeron. Located in Rio de Janeiro, the Escadaria Celeron is a colorful and whimsical staircase that has become a popular tourist attraction. Covered in over 2,000 tiles from all over the world, the staircase is a testament to the creativity and spirit of Rio. Let's talk about food! Brazilian cuisine is a delicious mix of flavors reflecting the country's rich cultural heritage. From hearty stews to refreshing seafood dishes, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Feijoada. This black bean stew made with different cuts of pork and beef is considered Brazil's national dish. It's usually served with rice, farofa, toasted cassava flour, and collard greens. Pão de queijo. These small, chewy cheese breads are a popular snack and breakfast food in Brazil. Made with tapioca flour and cheese, they have a unique texture and a slightly salty flavor. Brigadeiro. These chocolate truffles are a Brazilian classic. Made with condensed milk, cocoa powder, and butter, they're rolled into bite-sized balls and covered in sprinkles. Moqueca. This seafood stew, cooked in a clay pot, is a specialty of the northeastern state of Bahia. It's typically made with fish or shrimp, coconut milk, tomatoes and onions, and seasoned with cilantro and lime juice. Acarajé. This street food, popular in the state of Bahia, consists of deep-fried balls of black-eyed pea dough. They're usually filled with shrimp, vatapá, a creamy paste made with bread, shrimp, peanuts, and spices, and caruru, a sauce made with okra, onions, shrimp, and palm oil. Okay, time for some practical information. Currency, language, and getting around. The official money in Brazil is the Brazilian real, or BRL. You can use credit cards in most big cities, but it's always a good idea to have some local cash for smaller purchases, and if you're in more remote areas. The official language of Brazil is Portuguese. While some people speak English in tourist areas, it's helpful to learn a few basic Portuguese phrases. It'll make your trip even better and help you connect with the locals. Brazil has a good transportation system, including domestic flights, buses, and taxis. In big cities, the subway is a convenient and affordable way to get around. You can also rent a car, but traffic can be bad in cities. Now let's talk about staying safe in Brazil. Tips for a worry-free trip. Brazil is generally a safe country for tourists, but it's always smart to be careful and protect yourself and your belongings. Be aware of your surroundings. Just like anywhere else, it's important to pay attention to what's going on around you, especially in crowded places and at night. Don't flash around a lot of cash or expensive jewelry. Keep your valuables secure. Keep your passport, credit cards, and other important stuff in a safe place like your hotel safe. Don't carry around a lot of cash. Use reliable transportation. When you're taking taxis, make sure to use licensed taxis or ride-hailing services. Don't hail taxis on the street, especially at night. Respect local customs. Brazilians are generally warm and welcoming people, but it's always a good idea to be respectful of their customs. Avoid wearing revealing clothing in religious places and be mindful of how loud you are in public. Learn basic Portuguese phrases. While some people speak English in tourist areas, learning a few basic Portuguese phrases can really enhance your travel experience and help you connect with locals. Let's dive into the soul of Brazil: music, dance, and the Brazilian spirit. Music and dance are huge parts of Brazilian culture, and the country is known for its lively and catchy rhythms. Samba. This lively and sensual dance is practically what people think of when they hear Brazil. Originating in Rio de Janeiro, samba is known for its fast tempo, syncopated rhythms, and energetic footwork, bossa nova. This type of Brazilian music started in the late 1950s and is known for its cool jazz influences and sophisticated harmonies. Forró. Originating in the northeast of Brazil, forró is a lively and upbeat type of music and dance. It's usually played with an accordion, a triangle, and a zabumba, which is a kind of bass drum. Carnival. This annual festival, held in the days leading up to Lent, is a celebration of life, music, and dance. The most famous carnival celebrations happen in Rio de Janeiro and Salvador, but cities and towns all over Brazil have their own unique festivities. Here's what you need to know about respecting Brazilian culture: personal space. Brazilians are usually more comfortable standing closer to each other than people from some other cultures. Don't be surprised if someone greets you with a hug or a kiss on the cheek, even if you just met. Time. People in Brazil see time a bit more flexibly than in some other cultures. Don't be offended if someone is running late for a meeting or if things don't happen exactly on schedule. Dress. Brazilians tend to dress well even for casual occasions. Avoid wearing beachwear or athletic wear in cities, especially when you're going out to eat or visiting religious places. Tipping. Tipping is normal in Brazil. Restaurants often add a 10% service charge to the bill, but it's customary to leave an extra tip in cash. So, are you ready for your Brazilian adventure? Brazil is a country that will amaze you, capture your heart, and give you memories that will last a lifetime. From its stunning natural beauty and vibrant cities to its rich culture and warm hospitality, Brazil has something for every type of traveler. What are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Brazil today. And hey, if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest travel tips and adventures. See you in the next one.